Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to set timer on apps on Android. So first of all, launch settings on your Android devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now, once you come to this page, you'll see various options. You can see most used categories over here. Now, you can scroll down below and see app timers, and you can set timer for most used applications. Or else let's scroll up above, and under most used app categories, let's tap on social for now. Now go ahead and tap on app timer. Now over here, you would have to tap on add schedule. Now choose the timing according to your preferences, and you can choose the day accordingly as well. Once done, tap on save at the bottom right. And with that, you will successfully be able to set app timer on your apps on Android. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.